Ever wondered what's happening inside your Bluetooth earbuds? First, the tiny battery powers everything. Next, a small Bluetooth chip receives signals wirelessly from your mobile phone inside. There's a miniature speaker driver that converts electrical signals into sound waves, so you can hear music clearly. Speaker high volume, a microphone, is also hidden inside to capture your voice during calls. And these little holes, they help balance air pressure and improve sound quality. All of this technology is packed into something smaller than your thumb. Tiny device, massive engineering, sparkles.